Hey y'all, it's Caileigh. Today we're going to talk about how to offset your text. And what I mean by that is how do I have that colorful text in the background with a black outline of the text in the front. I use this in probably every one of my products. So I like the way that the text kind of pops when you have the color in the background. So let's get started. So a lot of y'all have questioned me about how I offset my text, and it's actually super simple. So here I used Molly Monroe's resting witch face. It's going to say MJ resting witch face. So let me show you in the next slide how I do that. Previously I showed you guys in a previous video how to keep your brand colors available. So I'm going to do that really quickly. I'm going to go find it on my desktop and just have that available for me to use so that when I'm changing the font colors that they match up with my brand colors. So back to the fonts. So you're going to insert text box. You're going to, so the thing said sale, so I'm going to type in S. Now see how small it is? You don't want that. You're going to make it ginormous. So I might type in 200. And that's still not, as big as I want it. So I might type in 300. Now I need to go to my Molly Monroe headquarters here. And I need to find resting witch face. Here it is right here. So that might be big enough, so I think we're just going to keep it that way. Now, I like to have mine kind of slanted a little bit, and we're going to leave it S here. Now, on this one, I left every letter as a capital letter, just so that they had, it was kind of bright and it kind of popped in your face. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to type in an A. Now, I can either go in, insert text box, yada yada, or I can copy this text box, so Control C, and then Control V. It's going to have another S, but I want to change it to A, capital A. So I'm going to leave it that way. It's going to be, I think it's going to be above the S. We'll see in just a minute when we change the colors. So A, Control C, Control V, capital L, and then we need a capital E for sale. All right, now I want to create these, I want to make these my brand colors. So I'm going to highlight the S. I'm going to use font color, so you can go into home and do font color, or you can just right click and go to font color. I'm going to use my eyedropper again. I'm going to use this pink. Make sure that there is no border. If there's a border, you'll have to go in and change that, but it looks like we're good to go. So change the A. Go to eyedropper. We used yellow next. Change the L, so highlight the L. Eyedropper, I use this teal. And then the E. I'm going to go back and use another pink. Okay, so you see how it is just kind of plain and sitting there, and it's beautiful. The colors are pretty, but you want to overlay the S, A, L, and E on top. So to do that, you're going to go copy it, Control C, Control V. You're going to want to right click the box, the text box, go to Format Shape, Text Options, text fill, no fill, so it's going to disappear. Oh no. But then you're going to go to text outline, solid outline, excuse me, solid line. I usually keep mine black with the outline, and then the width, you want to change it. See how it's becoming thicker? So you can make it as big as you want to, but I don't like to have it that thick. I will probably keep it 1 3/4 or 2. We're going to just do 2 for right now, just so that you can see. So you can either put it right over the S, but what I like to do is I like to kind of off-center it. And you're going to do that with each letter. So insert fun music here. Alright, so now that it's done, here you go. I hope that was really helpful for you guys. I use this, I think, probably in every single one of my product covers, so I do it pretty frequently. But yeah, if you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.